We have a wind sound warning. Wind decided to pick up as soon as I got out here. I've had this car for almost 10 years, and I have absolutely no idea what condition the engine is in. It's a 390 two-barrel, and this is the 65 Galaxie 500 XL 3-speed, which makes this an extremely rare car. Right there's 3-speed linkage. And I'll go on in here. Z code for 390. As you see, XL, clutch assembly, and right here it's the 3-speed. Should be reversed, first, second, and third. This linkage needs to be rebuilt because you can see it's really worn, and this isn't even the original one. This is blue. And there should be an overdrive right here, if you can see it. Right there. It's one of those very rare unicorn Fords. I'm hoping to get to this in the next couple years, depending on how things go. I've shown this before in March of the Galaxies. I was going to do a part 2, but that was when I was trying to do a different kind of channel with everything else. And as you can see right here, couldn't tell that this is an XL because it's got standard trunk deck to it. It's all factory, front and back. Of course, 65, and you have a 64. Huge difference in the model of years. They greatly mutated. So, again, I don't know what condition this engine is in. I just have absolutely no idea. Distributor is long gone. Oh, she's already biting me. So, yeah, it's long gone. Don't know what the condition of the engine is in. So, but it's very interesting. I really don't see no evidence of it being an AC car. At least nothing down right there. So yeah. I need to get that wine jar replaced. Hint to all the Ford people. You see that right there? That brake wine jar? Get rid of it. They're junk. They're utmost trash. Upgrade it to a brake booster. Yeah, so I don't know what condition this 390 is in. I'm pretty sure it's rebuildable. I thought they replaced this engine a long time ago, but no, they did not. Yeah. So I better put this camera down, start open up some of these holes and pour some stuff down in, let it soak for a little bit, and get to turning. Yeah, I just don't know. Just typical grime. I don't have no scope put down in there. So, and people have been wanting me to kind of show this car a little bit the past couple years, and well, I've been thinking about this car more and more lately to see if the engine's any decent. So, gonna find out today if it's locked up or not. It's in neutral. So, just gonna have to see what happens in honesty. So I'm not liking this already. I can't get my 13/16 on 3 of them except for the back one. And look how bad it is. Yeah, that's very, very burnt. Yeah, it's old and crusted, and look how far gapped it is. That's absolutely terrible. So, I'm gonna try to get the other side. I've tried all my 13/16, my size 13/16 to get on here. I'll just take you guys off the stand here. All my 13/16, even my very narrow ones won't fit into any of these. This actually has to come off. I don't know what the deal is. I've never, these might be the wrong kind of heads. I'm not sure. I mean, not the heads, the exhaust headers. Yeah, I really don't want to turn this without getting something, you know, in every cylinder, but I may have to. I even opened up a new set on my thin ones, and it just does not want to go on any of these. So I was like, okay, you know, maybe at the wrong angle or something, and I tried all my other sizes. No, it's 13/16, and just can't get them on this side. So I'm expecting the other side might be the same, but I'm gonna go ahead and pour something down in the back. Yeah, it's don't like that. I just don't like that. And it's still on there, so I don't know what the deal is. I'm not taking everything off because it's gonna rain here in the next at least hour. So I guess I'll just go ahead and go and see what I can get into it. I'll put some mystery oil down in the back, and I'll try to carve out the spot there, see if there's any gunk and grime blocking it, and just go from there in honesty. I guess I'll just find out. I'm kind of frustrated because I can't get stuff onto those spark plugs without taking that off. Well, I guess see what happens. Oh boy. I had to come over and check on something on our father's hive boy on his 390. I don't think the engine in my 65 Galaxie is a 390. If it is, it's something else, but I don't know what. Have to find numbers, because this has that kind of setup. I'll have to go over and look at the 63 Mercury here shortly, because I got to thinking, it's like, why is that all like that? Because now I'm kind of guessing if that's a 390 or not. So yeah, I gotta clean this because I want to work on this here shortly too. Our late father would be furious of this sitting for a while, but we've been so busy all these years. So I guess I just have to check. And I hear wasps, so I might have disturbed them when I opened up the hood. I'm gonna go ahead and put this down, check the 63 Merc, and kind of compare here. And I'm having doubts, second thoughts on that engine in the 65, and it's a Z code for 390, but yeah, hold on here. But I'm going to put this down and go over to the 63 Merc. Look at that. 63. Yep. Same thing in our father's high boy. So what the hell is in the 65 Galaxie? Yeah. So I do apologize. I thought that was a 390. Yeah, and this is a factory engine from 63. Let me adjust the camera here. Yeah. I want to find numbers on the engine here shortly. I'm still going to crank it over and see what it is, but gosh dang. Okay. I want to look at the Sport Brougham real fast, and also the Cleveland in my 73 Mustang, and compare some engines here. I'm getting kind of confused on this stuff now. Well, actually, I'm over at the 72, and this is a 302. Yeah, spark plugs are back this way angled. So, oh geez, I gotta find. We had a massive amount of rain last night, and I gotta find a place in town that takes used oil and radiator fluid. Oh, I need to toss that. Okay, sorry about the camera work there. .351 has him pointing them in the back. And pointing towards the front on this side. Which means the 302 will be the same thing. So yeah, so you zoom in right there, you can see it. And 351W for 351 Windsor. Whoops. So now I want to go to the 73 Mustang and look at the Cleveland in that. Huh. I'm getting very confused here. Well, this gosh darn fender. Cleveland has them pointing in the back too. As you can see right here, kind of, well, I don't know if you can see that, for 351C for Cleveland. Whoops. So, the spark plugs on this are also pointing to the back. I gotta do some whipping here. And this side's kind of towards the front. Okay. And now look at Amanda. 69 Comet Sports Coupe. This is a 302. Okay, stuff's pointing towards the back. On that side, on driver. I gotta get this stuff whipped before the garden spiders come out. And towards the front. So, what do I have? And so it's not a 390. I need a 390 now. So could this be a 302? Let's see. It's so caked back there. Yeah, because this is, ouch. This is a 390 car. Because right here's the Thunderbird special emblem. See? 390. So have I been wrong all this time? Yeah, by the way, I got this side out with no problems. And they're all bad. It's been burning oil. So what the hell do I have? Might be a 302. So now I need a car that needs a 390. Firewall with HI. Almost looks like a 66 firewall, doesn't it? Well, what the hell is this? I guess I'm just gonna call it 302, I suppose. I've been calling it 390 all this time, but I've always been second doubting. It's like, I don't know. And so much has happened, and I don't remember hardly anything. So I'm now, you know, documenting more of all this. Oh, God. Oh, Butterfingers and Snickers. So what we got here? Of course, it's a 2-barrel. We have C60E-9425-A. So if anyone knows what that is, let me know. I'll look it up myself, but so I'm guessing this might actually be a 302, because yeah, still gonna turn it over. I'm still gonna see if it's locked up or not, but now, oh yeah, man, what is with these small blocks? Whatever. I'm gonna get the spark plugs back in and put a deal down on that and see if it's locked up or not. So which means the engine's out there somewhere. Alrighty. It's not size 3132. I don't know what to say. It's a very odd size of head. Bolt. I guess it's not locked up. So is it seized or free? Huh? I guess I do say, yeah, she's free. Such a gosh dang it, such an odd thing. So I do apologize for calling this a 390, because I was thinking, it's like, well, this doesn't feel like a 390, because I know 390s to a certain extent. And I was kind of put my hand over this when I turned the camera off. It's like, that's not meaty like a 390 valve cover. All these years I've been calling it a 390, but now it's like, oh, I do apologize. So yeah, she's free. That's good. Engine can be rebuilt for something now, but so again, number is C60E-9425-A. Well, I guess that just about does it for this car. Now I need to get a 390 for it. Whatever. So this one, 55 Ford, Tramp Victoria, 64 Merc. What else needs a 390 of mine? The 68 Galaxie XL Fast fastback. 66 Galaxie, that's 6. Gosh, what else? Honestly, can't recall right now. I have it written down what I have, but now I need to write this one down in the paper. I know that I don't have to worry about changing out the 3-speed because all I have to do is change the hog head for a 390. And our relative Buck, he has a bunch of those, which I'm not worried about. So, well, it's a learning lesson today, and again, I do apologize for calling this a 390. Because when I was opening this up, because it's been a long time since I last messed with this car. Because I opened this up, I was like, it doesn't look like a 390. I'll go ahead and call it anyways, but like, you know what, let's visit the other two cars, the other two vehicles that have a 390 in it. But alrighty. I'll find something for this. Keep the 302 back for some whatever roadster or whatever, or steel reproduction body that I make. But alrighty, please take consideration of liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. We're not having no money, no donations, no PayPal, no membership. Getting all the stuff from YouTube, from everything from there, and whatever stuff that we make by hand in the future for our store. We like to earn our keep. So, y'all have a good one now. Take care and stay safe. See you later, and thanks again for the support. I don't know what year this is.